Hey everybody, we are live here at the future site of Northwoods Veteran Homestead. You got Ian behind the camera here, welcome back. We are at the future home of our tiny home village, and Ponce is here doing their thing. We got a lot of trees to clear today. It's a beautiful day here. And you see all the trees they're working on today. We've already done quite a bit in probably a matter of 20 minutes. I think all of this just happened within the last 10 or 15 minutes, honestly. These machines are super quick, so I don't foresee that these trees will be here much longer. So this will be our future site of our tiny home village for Northwoods Veterans Homestead. And as you can see, we're actually on this road here. It's North River Road off of Highway 8. And so part of our property actually faces the highway a little bit, I think, but we're live here at our future site, the Northwoods Veteran Homestead Tiny Home Village site. And Ponce's here doing their thing. They're harvesting our trees and clearing the path for our future home site. Super exciting. So in case anybody hasn't heard about Northwoods Veteran Homestead, you can go to northwoodsveteranhomestead.org. There's our sign here. We've had this sign out here for a little while, and you can kind of see a little bit of what the future home site's going to look like, but that's just kind of a mock-up. Nothing's final yet. Team's still deliberating on what the actual layout's going to be, but essentially our tiny home village is going to have 16 tiny homes to relocate homeless veterans in the northern part of Wisconsin. And then in addition, there's going to be a community center where they'll have all of the basic amenities they need, as well as case management and services to help them no matter where they are in their journey. So our goal of Northwoods Veteran Homestead is to serve the homeless veteran population of northern Wisconsin. And we're aiming at doing that with our tiny home village, to bring homeless veterans in off the street and then get them back on their feet. So that is one of the main machines there. It's called the Ergo. That's doing all the cutting. And then over here, a little bit harder to see, is a machine that's really just doing all of the collections of the log. You can see they got a nice pile going here already. And like I said, this has been going for maybe 40 minutes, maybe 35, 40 minutes. And they've already done so much. They've already cleared so much. It just melts those trees. It's such a cool operation. So we'll be out here today at our future site, gathering more content and sharing the stories and updates with you guys. Just wanted to go live here quick and kind of kick off the initial tree cutting operation. This is a huge day for Northwoods Veteran Homestead. Big thanks to Ponce, of course, for bringing these machines on site and running their demo so that we can get our future site cleared out and we can begin our next phase. thank you all. Stay tuned.